Welcome to Riddletruck. You will be asked 10 questions. Guess the correct answer within 5 seconds for each questions. Don't forget to comment your score.
What does everyone knows? How to open, but don't know how to close. Id. You use a knife to chop my head and weep beside me when I am dead. Who am I? Onion. What can fill the entire room without taking up any space? Blade. What English word sounds the same even after removing its 4 of its 5 letters? Q. Say my name, and I am no more there. Who am I? Silence. Which building has the most stories? Library. Where can you add 2 to 11 and get the answer as 1? Class. What is in the beginning and in the end, but not in the middle? Letter N. What can be larger than you without weighing anything? Shadow. What can you hold in your right hand, but never in your left hand? Your left hand.